The whole experience is really something that's great. From the time you get here, it's a welcoming family, and you know who you're going to get when you get in here, and you know you've got a quality product, and the end result just leaves you feeling happy. My hair loss story is going back a little ways for me. I think it was sometime after high school I started to notice that I was losing a little bit of hair, and it finally got to the point where I had lost confidence in going out without shaving my hair completely down. So I came by HairClub and I consulted with them about what are my options, and we've done a few different hairs now, and this being my second hair, I've noticed it gives me a new look, a fresh outlook, and some confidence to go out and be a new me. So it's something that I truly enjoy. So we tried a few different looks today, and I've had a faux hawk before, and we went through a couple of different lengths and sizes, and we decided that a hard part is what I wanted to go with today, and that's kind of what we ended up with, and I think it turned out fantastic.